Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another video. Guys, I just wanted to make this really quick video. I just got a notification on my phone that I have a free stock waiting for me. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick the process of what it looks like of getting free stocks. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to link up my phone to my computer so you guys can share the screen with me. Guys, if you're not doing this simple trick on getting extra income, guys, I get extra income every single day just from referring people to this app. So just go ahead and use the first link in the description. You'll get your free stock, and then you can start inviting others to get free stocks as well. It's kind of a no-brainer. So again, the name of this app is called Robinhood. If you haven't heard of it, it's a great investing app, and it's a great way to learn about investing as well. So go ahead and use the link below. You have to use my link in order to get the free stock. All right, so here is my phone here, and I just have this finance app. There's also good apps for learning investing. And here's the Robinhood app. So I'm just going to log in here. And like I said, here is my free stock. So this is what the app looks like. I have $19.94 in free stocks so far. I have 3 shares of Groupon, which is at $4.28 right now, which is a good time to buy in. You want to buy in when they're low, so that way you can cash out when they're high if you're into day trading. Zynga, I have 2 shares of Zynga as well. So yeah, I'm hoping to get like a big stock, maybe Apple. If I can get an free Apple stock, that'd be great. But anyways, guys, this is what it looks like. Claim free stock and choose my free stock. I'm gonna go with the one on the left. And oh, haven't heard of that one before. Nice. Chesapeake Energy. Sweet. There we go. Thank you, Miles, for signing up to be a Robinhood member using my link. I really appreciate it, guys. Also, shout out to Jose R, Juan G, Melvin R, Julio A, Caleb W. Thank you all, you guys. Here are the next people that need to get it. But yeah, use the link in the description, and you will be invited to get your free stock as well. And it's a guarantee. There's no charges, no fees, nor anything. You can transfer this straight into your bank account like it's cash. All right, thanks, guys. Have a great day.